Yeah, I'm probably gonna sleep all day tomorrow.
Whatever, we'll cut this down.
Go. What are you doing? Just trust me. This is gonna be awesome. This is so sweet. Yo, how long can this go on for?
Forever.
How long do you want it to go on for?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yo, I heard people say forever, and then people say forever times 2. And then people say YOLO. Like, what the fuck is that? People need to make up their minds. That's the fucking problem. New beat. Alright. Yo, if two people coincide, can they exist together forever? Yo, are you the Avatar?
I am the Avatar.
You're the Avatar? Like Fifth Element the Avatar? Or like Aang the Avatar or Korra? Yo, but who holds the power of the Avatar then? If there are two, can there be any one? You know what I'm saying?
That's how I got at this show.
What? Alright, now do some crazy shit like you've never done before. You keep doing that. Do some crazy shit like you've never done before. Yo, wake me up when you do something new, and then I'll look at it. Maybe I'll watch it on YouTube. I don't know.
Alright, cut this shit.